Um, June 26th, 2009. School's over. And I don't really have anything else planned. We're gonna be going camping soon. Hiking and all that. I'm just gonna be at his house. Yeah. Okay.
The United States government and the National Security and Anomaly Agency have issued a safety advisory for the following counties: Glacier, Hill, Liberty, and Toole until 7:50 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 2:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a young boy named Dave Arkestel was reported missing near a McDonald's restaurant. Residents recalled a loud thud before the sound of a car driving east out of town. Police are still searching for the missing boy. We don't have any information on the suspect other than a man in a uniform with silver hair. We urge you to stay away from the outside at night unless you are either accompanied by another person, have access to a weapon, or are walking back home. We thank you for your cooperation.
Alright, see you tomorrow, I guess, and, how's that doing outside? Where's what? That. Look. Hell? That last train was a few minutes ago. Probably just a late train. I might should write down on the board. Alright. Well, see you tomorrow, I guess. See ya.
Can I have cheeseburger, please?
Open your eyes. I know you're awake.
Do not fash yourself, Thomas. We'll soon have you back on the rails, they laughed. Donald and Douglas, puffing hard, managed to haul Thomas back to safety. Bits of fencing, the bush, and a broken window frame festooned his front, which was badly twisted. The twins laughed and left him. Thomas was in disgrace.
The NSA has advised a curfew from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. until further notice.
Diesels never gallivant off to breakfast in station masters' houses.